Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your WordPress theme. So to begin, let's click on the Appearance menu located at the left side of your screen and then choose Themes. Then this will take you to a page where you can see all of the themes that are currently installed on your website. To preview a theme, simply hover over it and click Live Preview button. Then this will allow you to see how your website will look with the new theme without actually activating it. If you like what you see, click on the Activate and Publish button here on top to make the theme your new active theme. But if you don't like the new theme, simply click on the X button to exit the live preview. If you don't have any themes installed that you like, you can click the Add New button to browse for more themes in the WordPress theme repository. Once you've found a theme that you like, you just simply click on Install and then activate it. Once you have activated the theme, you can customize it to your liking by clicking the Customize button. This will take you to the theme customization page where you can change the things like the colors, fonts, and layouts. And that's it for this tutorial on how to change your WordPress theme. Remember guys that changing your theme can give your website a fresh look and feel, and it's easy to do it in WordPress. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.